In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to Dext. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here in your dashboard and click on Bank. Now, when you do that, click on Bank Accounts here, which is the third tab under Bank, and then you want to click on Add Bank Account over here on your screen. Now, from here, you have two options to add this account. You have to, of course, select between Connect to Bank or manually. So if I do Connect to Bank, I can press Continue over here, and then, of course, I can click on Continue to Plaid, and then I'll be able to connect my bank that way. So for example, if I press continue, you'll see that I'll be able to basically find my bank over here. For example, if I do Revolut, I can click on it, and then from here, I'll be prompted to basically sign in or go to the bank website to put in my credentials. So that's the first way to add your bank account. And then the second one is going to be manual. So click on manually, click on continue. Then here you have to select your bank. So for example, if I type in, for example, Revolut, yet again, let me find it. There we go. It's over here. Then you have to put in the account name. For example, I'm going to do business like this, and then account number. You basically have to put in your last four digits. I'm just going to put in like an example, and then you have to put in the currency as well. So I'm just going to do euros for now. There we go. And you have to press on continue. And as you can see here, your bank account is going to be added just like this. Okay. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.